Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I am listening to you. Yes, please keep speaking. Yes.
Sir, actually, I want to learn spoken English fluently and rapidly.
Do you have webcam?
Yes.
Please turn it on.
Okay. Got me, sir?
Yes. Your name is Amin Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Modi Nagar district, Ghaziabad, sir.
Okay. Modi Nagar. I think Modi steel plant is there in Modi Nagar.
Yes. But now it is not open.
Okay.
All the plants of Modi was closed. Only the sugar mills is still open.
Okay. So, what's the requirement?
Actually, sir, generally I make some flaws in my speaking, and that's why it doesn't allow me to give presentation before my seniors, managers. So it holds me back. Uh, that's why actually I want to gain some confidence while speaking. That's why I'm not able to speak before them. This is the big problem. Even though I can understand all the things in English, but I never explain it in a standard English. That is my basic problem.
You want to polish up your fluency.
I don't know what I have to do, but if I want to searching someone who just catch my flaws or get my flaws and make my English polished.
So what's your job? What do you do?
Actually, I am a manager in my company, and I am related to automobile sector. My company manufactures plastic parts using it 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers. Our company's main customer is Maruti, Honda, and all. And I am the product design manager in my company.
Okay, so it's okay. Actually, you need some classes with me. Actually, as you want to polish up your fluency, then definitely you must understand. The more you speak, better you can speak. Right?
Okay.
So the more you are going to speak, the better you are going to speak, and for that you really need a person with you, with whom you can talk to on different topics, discussions, conversations. And during speaking, if you commit any mistakes, then definitely I am going to help you. I am going to point you out, and I am going to tell you how that particular sentence should be spoken in a very impressive way. That's the main thing actually. So you need practice, and for that you need classes with me. And if you decide to have classes with me, you can have. It's up to you. Anything regarding class, if you want to ask me, you may ask me. Actually, the duration of each lesson is 50 minutes. You know.
Okay.
One lesson is for 50 minutes. One lesson is for 50 minutes. So I think if you go for 30 lessons with me, you are going to have better fluency and you have confidence. You are going to have confidence. And
so between our talking, have you judged my fluency? That what kind of English I can speak? I cannot speak with confidence generally.
I have already observed it. because you have been speaking for the last 2 3 minutes.
Hmm.
So I have already observed actually you know English, no problem. You
Hmm.
can understand English very well, it's okay.
Hmm.
But you are just lacking in speaking just because of
Hmm.
little bit hesitation, or you can say lack of confidence or lack of practice. So
Because sir, it's not my age. Uh, when I learn uh, when I learn English while making mistake in my office. Okay, so if I speak English making mistakes there, so it will be a bad impact on my image. That's why I speak always in Hindi. Sometimes I use some English words. And one more thing, I uh, mm, I speak words while constructing in my mind, because I need time to constructing it into my mind, and then I am able to speak. If I want to speak suddenly, na, when the thought comes in my mind, so always it goes wrong. Why it is?
that is because of lack of practice.
Okay.
Actually, it is just a practice. You speak English, you are speaking, but it is difficult for you to use appropriate words in a particular
Hmm.
sentence, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Actually, fluency doesn't mean that you have to speak it faster than an ordinary person. That
Hmm.
doesn't mean actually. Fluency means actually you have to speak English in a very impressive way. If you
Hmm.
listen to the natural speakers or native speakers, they
Hmm.
don't speak fast, but they use very appropriate sentences, sorry, appropriate words in
Hmm.
sentences. Why they are
Hmm.
able to speak it or why they are able to do it? Because they have been in practice of speaking and
Hmm.
once, and that you can do by practicing. Similarly, if you want to be fluent, you have to speak. Similarly, if you want to learn swimming, you have to jump into the river to swim. The
Hmm.
more you swim, the better swimmer you can be.
Okay.
So, practice, you need practice, and practice will definitely help you to be fluent or to be able to choose the appropriate words to use in sentences. Right?
And sometimes I read some sentences, I understand it very well, but when it comes to practice it, na, when I come to speak it with someone, before someone, so I feel hesitate, and I all things, all words and all sentences I forgot all of a sudden. I don't know what I have to speak in front of others. So these kind of problems na make me worry sometimes.
Yeah, actually, you little bit means sometimes you commit mistakes in speaking.
Hmm.
Like you use, I feel hesitate. No, I
Hmm.
feel hesitated. That should
Okay.
that should be the correct sentence.
Yes, yes.
Okay, no problem.
Uh, yeah, I know this sentences. I feel hesitated, but although knowing all things, I commit a mistake. I don't know why. These kind of things always happening to me.
Actually, it's not a very unique problem. This is very common problem with everyone.
Hmm.
Because actually, practice makes a man perfect.
Yes.
That you know very well.
Hmm.
Then if you want to be an expert in speaking, or if you want to be a good speaker, you have to speak. That's all. And you
Hmm.
need practice actually. And for that, you must have someone with you who can point you out, and along with it, who can tell you to use the appropriate words in sentence.
Hmm.
That you need to do. And for that, if you think that I can be your teacher, I can be your teacher, just you need to take a decision to join.
Okay.
And before joining, if you think you want to ask me anything, you may ask me, no problem. before joining or before taking decision to join.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you in your home right now?
Yeah, definitely. This is my classroom, you can say.
Okay. Uh, and sir, do you have some uh, formulas also to teaching us, or some notes also to teach us or all the students?
I am unable to understand what answer you are expecting from me.
No, no, just like I have uh, seen you. I have seen you in a video where you had claimed that you had teach 10,000 more than 10,000 people around the world.
Hmm.
So I think you might be a very experienced person and very experienced teacher, I can say. So do you have some different type of uh, classes for different people, or you teach all the people in the same way?
Very good question. Before I answer your question, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Have you ever gone to any physician, doctor, MD for any problem?
Yes.
For any
Yes.
problem.
Yes.
So, what do you expect from that doctor to treat you in the same way as he treat me? You think that the doctor treats every patient in the same way, and he starts injecting some particular injection to every patient?
No, that is the another thing, na, sir.
No,
Actually,
that is not
I
another
just
thing. This is not another thing. It is the similar thing.
okay. Okay, I got.
Okay, you are the manager there. You get
Hmm.
several clients. Do
Okay.
you have means public contact?
Yes.
Okay, so do you start dealing with all with the same pattern or same method or same methodology you use to
No,
treat every
I'm not.
customer? No, I am just asking.
Yes. You are saying right,
Then
but
you have got the
I'm
answer.
not. Yes. Actually, no, sir. I'm just asking question. I don't have any doubt in my mind, but there is some question arise in my mind. So that's why I start to ask you.
That's why I ask you the questions to answer my question or to justify the answer actually. If
Okay.
I answer, if I had answered your question
Hmm.
earlier, you
Hmm.
wouldn't have understood the answer. But now you have
Hmm.
understood the answer.
Yes.
Because every student has its own level of speaking, own level of knowing grammar and everything.
Hmm.
So actually, as your aim is to focus on your fluency,
Hmm.
then my aim is to focus on your fluency. And
Exactly.
definitely, I have to take the topics or the
Hmm.
discussions
Hmm.
of your own interest.
Hmm.
I'll ask you questions, you'll answer. I'll ask you that what kind of questions you are talking to your clients or your subordinates or whatever.
Hmm.
I'll become your subordinate sometime.
Hmm.
You'll talk to
Yes.
me, and during that period, I'll observe your speaking. That
Okay.
how me, I'll become your subordinate,
Hmm.
and you will talk to
Yes.
me as a manager of the company.
Hmm.
During
Yes.
that, suppose you are talking to your one of your subordinates
Hmm.
regarding a topic or any issue.
Hmm.
There, if I find something is wrong or something
Hmm.
is going wrong, I'll point you out that it should be spoken in that way, in that way. So definitely you are in a practical situation to discuss
Hmm.
the topics or the conversation or whatever it is. It is your
Hmm.
choice. So definitely
Hmm.
that pattern is different. And the same thing I cannot apply to other student. His requirements are different. Your
Hmm.
requirements
Yes.
are different.
Yes.
You will tell me that you want to be in that situation and you want to discuss on that topic uh, in English.
Hmm.
And I'll become that.
Hmm.
Suppose you are talking to your uh, foreign clients, your customers, or whoever they may be. I don't know much about it.
Hmm.
So we'll take conversations, different topics, group discussions, everything we'll take, you know.
So how do you take group discussions on the Skype?
We'll discuss. Maybe
Okay.
conversation, not group discussion,
Okay.
because we are two only here.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And one more thing, when I try to speak in my office, na, so people laugh at me because they don't want anybody to speak in English. So that is also holds me back.
Who laughs at you?
Like some my counterparts and some of my colleagues. So
Do they speak English?
no, that's
That's
why they
why.
laugh.
That's
That's why
why
they
they
laugh.
laugh. You
Yes.
don't. You are not going to. Actually, you should not take care of them.
Yes.
Are you
On
getting?
one hand, I don't know is fluent speak, and another hand, they laugh at very much. They laugh at me very much. So that the things hold me back. Completely holds me back.
You don't have to speak before them. You have to talk to your subordinates.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you talk to your subordinates?
No, they are not also able to understand anything. So that's why I cannot uh, speak English before them.
So what do you want me to do for you in that case?
No, no. I just want to gain my confidence. I don't want anybody to speak with me, but I just want to gain my confidence anyhow.
Actually, listen. If definitely you understand one thing, and it is very obvious and very natural.
Hmm.
If you are going to speak for 50 minutes every day
Okay. Yeah,
with
every
me,
day. Yes.
you
Hmm.
think you will improve?
Yes. I will improve
This is very natural.
because it is only 10 minute session. I just feeling confidence in my speaking.
We have already talked for 17 minutes.
Yes.
And if we are going to talk for 50 minutes with each other, and you are going to interact with me for 50 minutes every day, don't you think you are going to have 1500 minutes with me?
Yes.
Almost 30 hours, 25 hours you are going to speak with me. You mean don't think that you are going to improve a lot within these 30 classes.
Yes. Exactly.
Then you will have
And
improvement.
how much you charge
Yeah,
for your classes?
that is actually 10,000 for 30 classes.
Okay.
This is for you actually.
Okay.
Otherwise, uh, otherwise my fee is $250 for my foreign students.
Okay.
Yeah, but this is 10,000 for 30 lessons for my Indian students.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So it is uh, it is manageable, but what will be the time for studying or for classes?
you let me know what time you
Mm.
want to have lesson with me.
In morning time, is it possible?
Timing. Let me know the timing.
Uh, 7 to 8.
7 to 8 is not possible because I am already engaged with other students.
And what is your free time?
Either at after 9:30 in morning or after evening. Means after or in noon you can have, or after 5 o'clock, no problem.
After 5 o'clock, you can available. You will be available, no?
Yeah, because I
After five.
don't have, yeah, I don't have regular classes after 5. These are alternate days, so that can be manageable, no problem.
Hmm.
So if you can manage after 5, that would be better.
Because there are so many late hours in my office every day, because it is now at 10:30 na.
Mm-hmm.
So I just came at 9:30 and have had my meal just now, and then I saw you online, so I thought that uh, why shouldn't I call you?
Yeah, why I shouldn't call you? Yes.
Mm,
So no problem. We can have at 10:30. No problem. I have no problem. Or 10 o'clock, 10:30, 9 o'clock. No problem.
hmm.
We can manage it. No problem.
Okay,
Yeah.
so uh, I will think on it and let you know early at the earliest.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And from where you belong, sir?
I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, in which city?
Do you think it is needed to know everything?
Okay, sir. I am taking it generally only.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.